Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 3rd April Wednesday 2024. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers. Number 8, number 10, number 30, number 41, number 48, number 49. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat. Number 8, number 10, number 30, number 41, number 48, number 49. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers. Number 2, number 7, number 11, number 12, number 24, number 25. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat. Number 2, number 7, number 11, number 12, number 24, number 25. Now lunchtime booster balls numbers. Number 22 or number 18 or number 35 or number 43. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat. Number 22, number 18, number 35, number 43. Now tea time prediction for 3rd April Wednesday 2024. Now tea time single prediction numbers. Number 2, number 4, number 16, number 33, number 34, number 47. Now tea time single prediction number repeat. Number 2, number 4, number 16, number 34, number 47. Now tea time second prediction numbers. Number 1, number 21, number 25, number 31, number 37, number 41. Today tea time second prediction number repeat. Number 1, number 21, number 25, number 31, number 37, number 41. Now tea time booster balls numbers. Number 32 or number 41 or number 28 or number 45. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat. Number 32, number 41, number 28, number 45. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.